speaking of rich people, Mukesh Ambani is now the world's 5th richest person. We cover him here on this show. Obviously, Reliance Industries. We're talking about Geo. He's your guy. He's now butting up against Mr. Zuckerberg. They're, I guess, number 4 and 5. And he passed Warren Buffett to take that position. The chairman of oil to telecom conglomerate Reliance Industries has surpassed American investor Warren Buffett. His estimated wealth now 75 billies. Once again, that ain't nothing. Ugh. I'll tell you what. And of course, a lot of hype on this man because of the recent investments that have been made into his companies from the various players, Facebook being one of them.
Yes.
So you see Facebook, Zuckerberg goes over there. He's like, how about you take the number 5 spot? I'll take 7% of your company, whatever it was, give you a few bucks. We're a team now, and you take the 5 spot. I'll keep the 4 spot for now. This is how the billionaires do it. That's just another day for the billionaires on their chat, their DMs. You take the 5 spot, take a piece of the company. His net worth increased $3.2 billion on Wednesday, which was also a big jump, 4.49%. So he's on the Bezos train. It's just a lot of good news for those two guys. And where others might be suffering a little bit, certainly Ambani is not. He's got plans for the future, and those plans are showing up on the bottom line, that's for certain.